These 25 MS Excel shortcut keys will increase your productivity. If speed or efficiency is important to you, I've put together some of my favorite MS Excel shortcut keys for improved productivity. The first shortcut we're going to talk about is how to repeat your last action. I'm going to go ahead and make this cell bold. And to repeat my last action, the MS Excel shortcut key for that is F4. I hold F4 and that's going to repeat my last action. Next, we want to talk about how to drag and cut. So I'm going to create a selection. The shortcut to drag and cut is to click at the bottom of your selection. You click, you hold, and you drag. And that's going to drag and cut. So what if you don't want to drag and cut, you want to drag and copy? I'm going to undo this. And then to drag and copy, I will hold Ctrl, I will click, I will hold and drag. So that's the shortcut to drag and copy. To move one screen down, the shortcut is page down. I press page down and I go one screen down. To move one screen up, the shortcut is page up. I press page up and I move one screen up. To move one screen to your right, the shortcut is Alt page down. So I'll hold Alt, I'll press page down and move one screen to my right. To move one screen to your left, the shortcut for that is Alt page up. I hold Alt, I press page up and I'm going one screen to my left. When you are within a data region, there are shortcut keys to move to the edge of that region in any direction. If I want to move from my current location to the right of my current data region, the shortcut key for that is Ctrl and my right directional arrow. If I want to go to the bottom of my current region, the shortcut is Ctrl and my bottom directional arrow. If I want to go to the left of my current region, the shortcut for that is Ctrl and my left directional arrow. If I want to go to the top of my current region, the shortcut for that is Ctrl and my top directional arrow. From any location in your workbook, if you want to go to the beginning of the row, the shortcut for that is Home. So I press Home and it takes me to the beginning of my row. If I want to move to the last cell in my worksheet, the shortcut for that is CtrlEnd. So I will hold Ctrl, I'll press End. It takes me to the last cell of my worksheet. If I want to go to the first cell of my worksheet, the shortcut for that is CtrlHome. So I'll hold Ctrl, I'll press Home, and it takes me to the first cell in my worksheet, which is cell A1. To select an entire row in Excel, the shortcut for that is Shift and Space. I'll hold Shift, I'll press Space. It's going to select the entire row. To select the entire column, the shortcut for that is Control and Space. I hold Control and Space and it's going to select the entire column.